First, start walking uphill from Sai Wan Pavilion. Keep walking up the trail. When you reach the first fork, turn left. And keep walking up the path. After a while, you reach an area where you can take a break and enjoy the beautiful scenery around you. When you're ready, start moving again along the trail. You're gonna go through steps, bumpy paths, as well as narrow trails before you arrive at a spot where you need to walk down these rocks. Just keep moving forward and turn left at the bottom. When you reach the bottom, continue to walk along the trail. Here, go straight down. When you reach a fork, turn left. Keep moving along the trail. Here, go straight down. And keep moving along the trail. When you see this fork, turn left to get to Sheung stream. You'll need to climb these rocks. Here, take the path on the left. Keep climbing. When you see a pool, keep moving further. Climb up and down to get to the other side. After climbing to the other side, keep moving forward until you reach the Sheung stream. This is where you can enjoy the fresh water. After enjoying the fresh water, climb back to the previous fork and go the other way. Keep walking along the trail. Soon, you go across this bridge. After crossing the bridge, keep moving along the trail. Here you could take a break in the area on the right, or keep moving down the trail. And after a long way down, you arrived at a beach. Keep moving forward down the beach. Cross this narrow bridge near the end of the beach. After that, keep moving forward and you'll find two stores in front of you. The first one is Hoi Fong store. The second one is On Ki store. Enjoy your meal at one of the stores and rent tents, mats, and sleeping bags according to your needs. After that, start walking uphill from here. When you see a fork, turn right. Keep walking along. Here, take the path on the left. After walking down bumpy narrow trail, you're finally there.